Okay, so I'm over here on the Hulu Ad Manager platform, and I'm going to walk you through how to create your first ad on Hulu. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to create campaign, and we're going to make an ad for Six Figure Insider. So I'm just going to go ahead and create that. So Six Figure Insider marketing plan. We're giving away a free marketing plan to help businesses get more leads. So that is our campaign name. Now I'm going to click on next, and we're going to click that link here. And then I'm going to put in our campaign date range. So our campaign is actually going to kick off. Let's see. They said 3 days. So let's go 5, 6, 7. So let's start it Tuesday the 8th. At least 3 business days. So yeah, maybe they'll let us go the 8th. Okay. And then there's no end date right now. And so we'll just go with that. So we're going to go with no end date. Now here's the cool thing is you can actually schedule your ad out in advance. So let's say that you had something that was time restraints around it. Let's say a Black Friday sale, let's say a Christmas sale, whatever the case is, holiday sales. You can pre-schedule your ads, or you want ads to kick off right at the start of the new year. You could actually pre-schedule those, which is also pretty awesome and highly advised because then they would be approved, right? So I'm going to make sure I give ourselves the 3 days for this first ad. So we're going to kick this off in just a few days from now of creating this. And let's select the end dates of our campaign. So we're going to run this campaign for 2 weeks and click on done. So we do need to select a start and end date. So there we go. Now we're going to pick what our budget is going to be. So they want a minimum budget of $500 to get started. So that is definitely something that we're going to want to do. So we're going to put in $500. Okay. Just to kick it off and test it out and see. So start with their minimum and give it a shot. So again, these are going to people's homes. This is going to be streaming. It's an awesome opportunity to gain additional reach through Hulu. So do put in the budget. You can start off with their minimum. So that's quite a few impressions for that amount. And we'll see what it ends up translating to after we run the ad. But let's at least get the ball moving. So go ahead with their minimum budget, which is 500, and then click on next. And then now this is where you can choose location targeting. So you could actually narrow down and say, I'm going to target people in certain zip codes, certain geographical regions. So you could actually do that and really narrow it down and say, okay, I'm going to target people by region and those types of things. If you had a localized type ad that you wanted to get exposure on, or if you want to do like a certain state, you could do that as well. So let's see if we can get this down to United States. I think actually it looks like, again, this is brand new here. Looks like we could actually skip this step because we don't have location targeting for this ad. Okay, so now we're going to go with gender and age targeting. For us, our ads suit all genders, and we're also going to select the different age groups. So you've got ages 18 to 24. They're generally not the audience for us. Generally, we're kind of in this wheelhouse of 25 to 50 plus people that have a business wanting to get help with their marketing. So that's generally where we are. So we're going to click on next here. And now let's go to audience target. So this is where we can get specific. This is where you can drill down to the audience targeting here. And you can target people based on behavior, demographics, interest, and those types of things. So we're going to start off with behavior. And we're going to say their behavior. Are they in a market based on their behavior, their searching habits? Are they looking for a car? Are they looking for appliances? What kind of things are they in the market for? So let's scroll down here. Let's say luxury shoppers and luxury vehicles, because we want to target people that are business owners that have some money to spend, that are a little more affluent. And notice they're going to say low daily impressions because I haven't finished this yet. So we're going to go for people that are luxury shoppers. And let's see what other opportunities we have here. So we've got purchase. These are things that maybe they've purchased in the past. And so if you were doing supplements, you could actually target people that are more affluent, looking for luxury items that are also, they shop for vitamins, and that could be a way you could really narrow it down. So some interesting behavioral targets you can do there. Demographic targeting. This I like a lot because you can actually target people that are C-level executives, which in our case would be awesome because we also have plans that can actually suit corporations. We actually work with corporations in marketing. We also work with entrepreneurs and startups. We actually have programs for both. So I'm actually going to choose entrepreneurs, startup, small business owners. I am going to choose self-employed people and small business decision makers. So that is actually quite the list. It's actually pretty lengthy there. You can also narrow down by education. So I could say, are they a college graduate, continuing education, currently learning, some college education? And as far as education goes, for what we're targeting for, we don't care about that as much. Financial, so this would be, kind of where they are financially. And generally we're going to say between 100 and 150,000. Let's see what other demographics. Milestones. All right, here we go. Brides and grooms to be, new parents, parents with grade schoolers, parents with kids 0 to 12. Imagine the targeting you can do there. Parents with teens with college interests. So lots of matches there that you can dig into. Now, under interest targeting, we've got entertainment. That's a big one. So entertainment category, so you can actually see what kind of things are they interested in. Beach days, gamers, hip-hop lovers, live events, those types of things, moviegoers, online movie streamers, racing video games, sports enthusiasts, sports fans. So you could actually narrow down by entertainment if it suited your audience. You also have food and drink options. Notice all these options. Home, interior, you've got DIY, interior decor and design. You've got lifestyle. That's a big one. So you can actually, people that are into beauty, car enthusiasts, those types of things. That's a big one. Working out, travel, business travelers, adventure seekers, family travel. I'm actually going to go for people that are into luxury travel, because those tend to be people that want to really take their business to another level. They are also into family travel because they care about building for their family. And then, of course, business travel is the other target there. So I love these interest targetings. There's a lot of options there. Ownership targeting would be kind of what kind of vehicle do they own. Home would be, are they a homeowner, home renter, which does not matter as much. Some of our people, they are not homeowners. They just like the laptop lifestyle. So cat owners, dog owners. So had you been targeting an offer that was, let's say, specific only to cat or dog owners, you could actually run an ad very specific to them. So we actually have a decent amount of targets here. We actually went with luxury shoppers, with C-level executives, entrepreneurs, self-employed. So really good, really good opportunity there. So now let's go and take a look at the cost per view, and we could see what the CPM is. So that's the cost per 1,000 views, so $34.50. Cost per view is about a little under 3 cents per view, 14,000 impressions. They say a daily impression is going to be low, but I am very happy with this targeting. I feel like we've done a pretty good job. So now let's go to the next option. We've done our targeting, and notice they have the little drop down here. And so we're going to choose what platform we actually want to target on. Do we want this ad to run on living room, mobile, or computer? I'm actually going to choose living room, and let's go computer, because they're going to need to be able to take action. So I do like that they have this as an option, because I was curious how that's going to work with TV, because really with TV, it's more brand awareness. And I would rather people be at their computer so that they can click the link and then get what we have to offer in our ad. So I'm going to click on next for that. And then let's go content genre. This is really exciting because we can narrow down by content genre that people would be open to. So in this case, I'm going to go with business, because that's going to be perfect. People watching business are going to be into what we have. People that like documentaries, they like information. Let's go down here. Health and wellness. There are people that want to get, improve their life. Lifestyle is a big one. I would also say people that are into, let's see, classics, anime. Let's see some other options here. People that are into sports tend to be into this. News and information, they're definitely open to it. And music people, they tend to have a pretty good application. So you can select for what we have. So you can actually select a lot of great content genres. There's a lot of options there, as you can see. You've got action, adventure, animal, cartoons, anime, arts. So they make this very intuitive for you to go through the process. So now we're going to click on done, and then we're going to go to next here. And in this spot, this is where we're going to upload our video, and the duration is going to be 15 to 30 seconds for the video. So I'm going to grab a video here, and we're going to upload our video here and drop it in here to see how it fits in these parameters. Okay, so I'm going to resume this, and I'm going to pick one of our videos here. I did have this version for Hulu, but I didn't realize it was a little bit longer than 30 seconds. So I'm going to go with, let's see, leads angle. I think this one should work. Let's see. It doesn't exceed. Oh, it's not 1280, so that's a mistake. Okay, so I'm going to go back and edit my video, and then I'm going to upload that here in just a moment. So give me a minute to go edit together my video, and then I'll re-upload with the right size and everything. So I'm going to go back and edit that, but it's got to be 1280 width. I was not prepared for that, so we're going to go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so I'm going to need to go back and upload my video here, but now you can see I've got everything set. I've got our audience set there, and everything is good to go. We were able to choose location, and location targeting, remember, you could narrow it down by zip code or city, state, but we decided just to go with, for this case, all locations, because that's fine for what we offer. There's, again, a recap of all of our audience targeting. We went with computer. We chose our content genre. I'm going to skip the video for now because I need to make a few edits to it. But you can see here, we're ready to go. So now I'm going to click on proceed to submit, and I can upload the video later, as you can see. So now we're going to go ahead and create our payment method, and then we'll be able to submit the ad campaign here. So really awesome. It was a very simple process to get the Hulu ads ready to go so that you can start to stream your ads. It's a powerful platform, and it really gives you a lot of reach, you know, that you're going to see. And I feel like it's a unique reach. I'm really excited to see how this one performs.